Figs nutrition, anti-cancer, fiber-rich and antibacterial. You probably associate figs with the extremely popular fig Newton, which if we're being perfectly honest is not the healthiest of options. But while I don't recommend eating those packaged fig goodies, figs nutrition actually has an insane amount of health benefits. Of course, when I say figs nutrition, I mean the fruit superstar. Figs have a long, interesting past, and a number of great health benefits. So what makes figs nutrition so valuable? Why should you include them in your diet, and what type of fig recipes are out there? Let's take a look. Health benefits of figs nutrition. Figs contain many vitamins and minerals that provide health benefits to a number of bodily systems. They're an easy, healthy snack and can be added to many meals for another boost of nutrients. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Figs provide a huge service to the human body with their antioxidant capabilities. Because oxidation affects almost all body systems, the damage it causes has been linked to many major diseases. Aging and cancer as high antioxidant foods, figs help stave off these conditions. Some types of figs have more than others, but most are rich in polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress. These natural health boosters are located in the fruit, leaves, pulp and skin. Studies also show that properly dried figs can be an even better source of phenolic compounds and have increased levels of antioxidant activity than their raw or improperly dried counterparts. 2. Anti-cancer. Figs have a reputation in traditional medicine as a remedy for many health problems, including as a natural cancer treatment. For instance, a study by the Department of Natural Medicinal Chemistry at China Pharmaceutical University shows that some elements contained in figs are toxic to various human cancer cell lines. 3. Treat common illnesses. Because of the fig's long history, it has been used to treat a wide range of common ailments for thousands of years. More than 40 illnesses connected to the digestive, endocrine, reproductive, and respiratory systems have been treated with fig fruit, extracts and components of the fig tree. Figs in the fig tree are considered promising candidates for helping develop new drugs as well, and researchers hope to continue finding new medicinal uses for the plant. For antibacterial and antifungal. Figs can act as a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. A review by the Drug and Herbal Research Center at the University Kebangsaan in Malaysia cited 2 studies that showed fig extract's ability to combat a strand of oral bacteria, as well as various fungi and microbes. There are also studies done in grass carp that shows effectiveness in figs' ability to stimulate immune system response, thus making figs tremendous immune system boosters. This may explain why figs are such great common illness fighters, which are typically the work of bacteria and other invaders. 5. Great source of potassium, fiber, and other depleted nutrients. Potassium and fiber are 2 vital components to a healthy diet that many Westerners simply don't get enough of. Figs are a high-fiber food whether raw or dried, while they also provide anywhere from 7% to 19% of your daily potassium intake depending on how they are prepared. Thus, eating figs helps overcome low potassium levels. Fiber helps aid the digestive system, reduces the risk of heart disease and helps with weight loss by helping you feel full. Potassium is found in every cell in the body and is essential to maintain normal body functions. Dried figs are also great sources of manganese, magnesium, and calcium, all of which also don't appear in our diets as much as they should. Snacking on figs is a low-calorie way to up your intake of these essential nutrients. Health benefits of fig leaves. If you are lucky enough to have access to a fig tree, the leaves of the trees are also incredibly valuable to your health, mostly due to their antioxidant abilities. The leaves can be dried and made into teas or extracts, which is very common in areas of the world with substantial fig tree growth. 1. Anti-diabetic. Preliminary studies show reduction of glucose in the blood of rats when given an extract made from fig tree leaves. Further results from the studies show there was also a decline in the levels of cholesterol, as well as help normalizing antioxidant activity to help combat oxidative stress caused by diabetes. Fig fruit has also been proven as a powerful treatment for the side effects of diabetes. With anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities, figs are able to normalize many bodily functions sometimes damaged by diabetes, making them a potential diabetes natural remedy. To help treat skin cancer. Fig leaves are great providers of bioactive compounds that are great at fighting free radical damage. As a result, some studies have used information about the makeup of the fig leaf to develop better forms of photodynamic therapy to treat certain types of skin cancer. 3. Anti-wrinkle capabilities. There have been multiple studies using fig tree leaf extract, combined with other fruits and alone, that have shown successful examples of anti-wrinkle capabilities. Individuals using creams including fig leaf and fig fruit extracts showed significant decrease in length and depth of facial wrinkles, thanks to antioxidant and anti-collagenase activity.